Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Okay, let's start our today's lecture, which is about class 1, subject science, 4th slot, unit number 11, and the title of the unit is The Earth, Moon, Sun and Stars. Reading book pages will be 96, 97 and 98, and the workbook pages are 31, 30, 30, 31 and 32. Okay students, in this chapter we will learn about Earth, Sun, Moon and Stars. Students, let's start with the reading book, and the first topic is the Earth. As you can see the image of the Earth on the right side of your screen. Let's start reading. We live on the planet Earth. It is shaped like a big ball. Earth's shape is like a big ball. It is a sphere. It means the Earth is a spherical shape. The Earth is made of water and land. 97% of water and 3% of land. It is surrounded by air and sunlight shines on it. The Earth spins. The Earth moves slowly round and round. It moves round and round. It takes a whole day to spin round once. The Earth takes a whole day to spin round once. In the next image, as you can see, the side of the Earth facing the sun has day, and the side away from the sun has night, because if sunlight putting on the Earth is making a day, and if there is no sunlight on the backside of the Earth, it makes night. After reading about Earth, let's start our further topic, which is the stars. As you can see the image, there is a night sky in the image. Let's start reading. Look at the night sky. There are many stars in the sky. Can you count these stars? No, we cannot count the stars because there are many stars in the sky. They look very tiny, but actually they are very big. As you can see in the image, the star looks so tiny, but in actual they are very big. They look so small because they are very far away from the earth. Stars are balls of white hot gases. What are stars? Stars are balls of white hot gases. The sun is also a star, as we read that there are many stars on the sky, and they look very tiny to us because they are far away from the earth. The sun is a star. It is much bigger than the earth. The sun is a star, but it is much bigger than the earth. It is a huge ball of white hot gases. It is a huge ball of white hot gases. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. What does sun give us? Sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun is the star closest to the earth. As you can say that, what is the closest star to the earth? The closest star to the earth is sun. Okay, we have read about stars. Now let's read about the moon. The moon is round, as you can see in the image. There is a round shape of the moon. The moon is round like a ball and much smaller than the earth. It is smaller than the earth, as we have read before that the sun is largest than the earth, but the moon is smallest than the earth. The moon goes round the earth. The moon goes round the moon is cold and dark. As you can see in the image, you can see the sun because the sun is shining and it throws its lights on the earth, so you can see the earth as well. But the moon is very cold and dark and it has no air, so it means we cannot live on the moon because there is no air on the moon. The moon does not have its own heat and light. As you know that the sun has the light and the moon has no light, so the moon has no heat. Then can you even think that how can you see the moon at night if there is no light of moon? Yes, because we can see the moon at night because of sun, because sun has a light and sun throws its light on the moon, so we can see the light of the moon as well. The light we see is actually the sunlight. The light which we see on the moon, that is the actually sunlight. The sunlight shines on the moon and makes it look bright. Sometimes we see the sun shining on the full face of the moon. Sometimes we see the sun shining on the full face of the moon. Sometimes it is the full moon. Sometimes we see the sun shining only part of the moon, and that is the crescent moon. As you can see in the image, the full moon means the sun shines, the sunlight is fully on the moon, and if the sunlight on the moon is only on one part, that is a crescent moon. Let's start our workbook. Okay students, let's start our workbook work with part A. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1 is, how long does the earth take to spin round once? A. Year, B. Day, C. Week, and D. Month. Your answer is day. Number 2 is, how long does the earth take to travel round the sun? A. Year, B. Month, C. Week, D. Day. Your answer is A. Year. Number 3 is, stars look small because they are A. Tiny, B. Far away, C. Hiding, D. Shining. Your answer is far away. Number 4 is, where does the light of the moon come from? A. Earth, B. Stars, C. Sun, and D. Fire. And your answer is Sun. Number 5 is, which of these statements about the sun is not true? A. The sun is a star. B. The sun is hot. C. The sun is smaller than the earth. D. The sun is bigger than the earth. And your answer is the sun is smaller than the earth. Number 2 question is, complete the following sentences with the words bigger or smaller. Look at the number 1. The earth is dash than the sun, and your answer is smaller. The earth is smaller than the sun. Number 2 is, the moon is dash than the earth, and your answer is smaller. The moon is smaller than the earth. Number 3 is, the sun is bigger than the moon and the earth. The sun is bigger than the moon and the earth. Moving toward the next page of the workbook, part B. Question number 1 is, mark the statement with tick or cross. A part is, the sun goes round the earth, and that statement is wrong, so it would be cross. Part B is, the earth goes round the sun. This statement is right, so mark tick here. C is, the moon goes round the earth. Tick. Last one is D, the moon and earth go round the sun, and that is also tick. Moving toward the further question, which is question number 2, and the question is, answer the following questions. Question number A is, what shape is the earth? What is the shape of the earth? The answer is, it is like a big ball. It is like a big ball. Number B is, does the moon give out its own light? No. As we have read that moon does not have its own light, so your answer is no. C is, can living things like human beings, plants and animals live on the moon? Give reason to support your answer. And your answer is no, because it has no light. Number 4 is, write 3 differences between the earth and the moon. Firstly, you have to write about earth and then the moon. First one, it has sunlight. The earth has sunlight, but moon has no sunlight. It has no sunlight. Number 2 is it has water. It has water. And number 3 is it has air. While moving toward the moon, it has no air and it has no water on it. Your last question of this chapter is question number 5. Draw the sun, earth and the moon here. Write which is the smallest, which is the bigger and which is the biggest. As you can see, the moon, the earth and the sun. You have to draw the moon, the earth and the sun on the given space, and then you have to write same like this. Moon is smallest, moon smallest, earth bigger and the sun is biggest.